So hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about georeferencing. So at first, georeferencing is the process of converting the image space into the coordinate space. So this video will be the first part of our tutorial series of GIS. So in this video we are going to georeference the image file of Kathmandu district and the Bhaktapur district. So let's start this tutorial. So at first just we have to arrange the data in this given format, and this both data will be given in the description box, and from that description box you can download this data. So at first we have to arrange this both data in this format. So for arranging the data, at first you have to create the folder GIS. Then inside this folder just you have to copy this file, administrative boundary, then you have to paste here. Then after pasting this, just you have to copy this file, data file, then you have to create a new folder named Geo Refrencing. Then you have to paste inside this Geo Refrencing folder. Then after you have to extract the file. Then after extracting the file, the format is ready for working in the GIS. So after arranging the data in this format, we have to open the Arcmap, and for opening the Arcmap, just you have to double click on this Arcmap, the version 10.8. we are going to use in this video of version 10.8. then after double clicking on this, it will open. It will take a little time for opening. It will depend upon the speed of your processor or the configuration of your laptop. So after opening, this type of dialog box will appear. Then you have to select the option mine template. Then you have to select the blank map. Then you have to click on just OK. Then after clicking on the OK, this type of screen will appear. So at first we have to link that folder in this working space. So for linking that, just you have to click on this catalog option, and from catalog option just you have to click here, connect to the folder. Then after this, just you have to select simply the location where you have just created the previous folder, and you have just kept the data. So in this video, just I have created that GIS folder in the E drive. So you have to select GIS folder from E drive, then simply click on OK. Then after this, just you have connected this GIS folder to this working space. So now you have to just click here, then from click here georeferencing, then data, then from data you have to import the Kathmandu map. So simply click on this and drag this map into this space. Then after dragging this type dialog box will appear. Just simply click on OK. Then you can by selecting the zoom option, you can simply zoom here, and you can see the coordinate. In the above is the coordinate of the easting, and in this below vertical it shows the coordinate of northing, and easting means the x coordinate, and northing means the y coordinate. So we can determine the coordinate from this image, that is for northing the coordinate will be 30, 70 and 000 northing, and for easting the coordinate is 24, but this 24 we have to write we have to write in this format, like in this format 630 and 000. In this 30 is the main coordinate, so the first coordinate was our 24, so we have to write this 24 in the 624000 format, and that format will be written in this file for easting and for northing 3700. This is the format, but the main coordinate is 70, and for here the main coordinate is 24. So just simply click on this zoom to layer for bringing in the default view. Then after this we have to select this zoom in option, and for determining the control point we have to determine the control point in the clockwise direction. That is, starting from here we have to move in this way, and we have to select the control point of known coordinate only. For example, in this file the known coordinate is this, and known coordinate is this, so this will be the control point first, that is the control point 1, and this will be the control point B, and similarly the C and D. So let's start to define the control point. For defining the control point, simply you have to zoom here, this cross option, then you have to zoom very minutely. Then after zooming this, just you have to mark this point by the option Geo Refrencing. You have to select the Geo Refrencing option from here, and this option will not appear in the GIS Arc GIS by default. So for bringing this option, just you have to right click here, then you have to check this box Geo Refrencing, and this type of dialog box will appear. Then after this, simply you have to select this option add control point, then click on this, and left click here, then right click, then you have to select input X and Y, then you have to write the X and Y coordinate. X mean easting, and easting coordinate is 624000, and for the northing 370 and the 000. Then after writing this, you just simply have to click on this option, okay. Then you have to bring that file. So for bringing, just you have to right click here, then you have to select the option zoom to layer, then simply you have to do the same process for the control point B, C and D, and for that just you have to simply follow the same procedure by selecting this option zoom in, then you have to zoom here, and then again zoom, then again zoom, then you have to select this add control point, then left click on this, right click on this, then you have to write the control point coordinate, and that is for X 635000 307000, and this coordinate is simply determined from the map. Then you have to click on this OK, then you have to select this zoom option, or you can zoom in and out by the scroll down button. Let me zoom to layer. This coordinate is simply determined from here, that is 35, this and this is Y coordinate, and the same process will be determined for the point C, that is control point C, and select this option zoom in option, then you have to zoom here like this, then you have to again zoom, just you have to left click on this, and you have to drag this in this way, then again zoom, then you have to select the control point option, then left click on this and right click on this, then input X and Y, then 635000, then 3058000, then click on OK, then again right click on this zoom to layer, then again select this option, then zoom in, zoom in, this not so zoom, yeah, it will be okay. You have to select this option at control point, then I have to left click on this, then right click on this, input x and y. So 624000, then 3058000, then click on OK. Then so in this way we have just defined the control point 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this JPG file of Kathmandu district. So on the geo-referencing of the JPG file of Kathmandu district. So after this we have to set the coordinate system, and in this we have done the easting and northing coordinate. So for that format we have to select the modified UTM system coordinate system. So for that simply select any option or zoom in or this pan option, bring here and right click here, then you have to select this option data frame properties. From this just you have to click here, then you have to select the option import, and from import just you have to select that location just we have before we have created. Then from that we have to select the geo-referencing, then data, then coordinate system, then modified UTM projection. This all data is given in that extraction file. So after selecting this you have to just click on add, then OK. So in this way we have just set the coordinate system into the MUTM system for the Kathmandu district. So after this we are going to save this file, and for saving this file into the geo-referenced file of Kathmandu district, just simply we have to click here geo-referencing, then you have to select this option rectify. From rectify just you have to select the location where you want to save the file, and just I am selecting the geo-referencing, then click on add. Geo-referencing, and then geo-reference option is selected, then add, then write any name. I am writing the G of Kathmandu, then simply click on the save option, then it will save this geo-reference file of Kathmandu district in the geo-referencing folder. It will take a little time to save or to convert your simple JPG file into the geo-referenced coordinate space file. So after doing the after converting the JPG file of Kathmandu in the similar way, we are going to convert or simply we are going to convert the file of Bhaktapur district JPG file into the coordinate space or geo-reference in the Everest Bangladesh coordinate system. And for Everest Bangladesh coordinate system, simply we are going to your file is saved. So after this you have to simply click here, or you have to create a new file. So for creating a new file you have to click here, then click on blank map, then OK, then select simply no. Then you have to import the Bhaktapur file, and for that just you have to simply process the previous process, that is click on catalog, and from there you have to just drag this Bhaktapur JPG file into this space. Then after this dialog will appear, then click on OK. Then you have to zoom like this, then again zoom. So for the Bhaktapur district, just we are going to use the Everest Bangladesh coordinate system, and for the Everest Bangladesh coordinate system you have to use the decimal number, or simply the number in the x and y coordinate. So in this we are going to select the control point this, and for this, so for this this 85 degree 22 minute 30 second is the longitude, and this below 27 degree 45 minute 00 second is the latitude, and this latitude is the y coordinate and this longitude is the x coordinate. And coordinate, this you can simply see this 27 is increasing here. So this 24, so this 27 degree 42 minute 30 second will be the y coordinate and this 85 will be the s coordinate, and you have to simply convert this degree minute second into the decimal like this. In this way you have to simply convert the degree minute into the degree, and by converting the degree of control point A, B, C, and this is the final result. So let's start. At first, this will be the first control point. So zoom like this. Then again you have to click here at control point. Then simply left click on this. Then right click on this. Then input x and y. So 85.375 for the x coordinate, and for the y coordinate 27.75. then click on OK. After this, zoom to layer, then again select this zoom option, then zoom here a little bit, zoom more, then you have to add control point, then left click on this, right click on this, input xy, so 85.5, and the y coordinate will be 27.75. Simply just we have converted this degree minute second into the degree, so it will come in this fraction format. So click on OK. After this, zoom to layer, select this option, then 1, 2 is define, and for defining the control point 3, just you have to zoom here in the clockwise direction. After zooming, just you have to select the control point, then you have to left click on this, right click on this, input x and y, so 85.5, 27.625, then click on OK, then zoom to layer, then this zoom option, then zoom here, zoom more, then you have to select the Geo-Refrencing and control point, then left click on this, right click on this, then write the coordinate for x 27.625, then click on OK. Then after this, click on zoom to layer, then select option zoom option, then just we have defined the control point, then we have to set the coordinate system, and for setting the coordinate system, just simply right click here, then you have to select the data frame properties, then from there just you have to click here geographic coordinate system, and from there you have to click here Asia, and from Asia just you have to select the average Bangladesh coordinate system, then click on OK. Then you have to save this file as Geo-Reference file, and for saving that, just simply process the previous process, that is click Geo-Refrencing, then select rectify, then select the location Geo-Refrencing, it is already selected, so write any name of your Geo-Reference file. I am writing G of Bhaktapur. Then after selecting the location and name, click save, then you will save your simple JPEG file into the Geo-Refrenced file. It will take a little time. Then after saving this, we can simply import the Geo-Refrenced file of Kathmandu district and Bhaktapur district on the latest map of Nepal. So let's wait for some time, then we'll begin. It will be busy, simply just you have to wait. Yeah, so this file is created, or that file is saved. Then after saving that, just simply click on this option, or you have to just create a new file by click on this, then select blank map, then click on OK. Then we don't have to save this because it is already saved as Geo-Bhaktapur file from that option. So select no option. After this, just you have to bring the Nepal map, the latest Nepal map showing the Limpiodhora, Kalapani, and this from this option, administrative boundary, and from administrative boundary. All this file is in the GIS folder. Before you have just arrange that data in that folder, and after connecting, all this data will appear here. So from this folder, administrative boundary, just you have to simply select the Nepal district and you have to just drag in the working area. So after dragging in the working area, we can see the latest map of Nepal. Yeah, this is the latest map, and from this latest map, suppose we are in this we are going to project the Bhaktapur and the Kathmandu district map on this. So you have to see the district name of every district of our Nepal. So right click here and simply select check the level features. So after this, we can see the province name is written, but we are going to see the district name. For seeing the district name, just you have to right click here, then you have to choose the properties option, then you have to simply wait. Then this type of dialog box will appear, and from this you have to just select the option district, that is from the level district, then click on OK. Then the district name will appear like in this way. We can see you can simply zoom, or you can select like this, zoom. Then this Kathmandu, Bhaktapur and Lalitpur. Then we are going to project the Kathmandu and the Bhaktapur geo-reference file. The previous we have created, that is Geo Kathmandu and Geo Bhaktapur, on this map by this process. So simply click here, catalog. So at first we have to just refresh the folder where we have saved the geo-reference file. So at first we can see the previous file is not showing here, that is the Geo Kathmandu and the Geo Bhaktapur geo-reference file. So for showing that, you have to do just right click here and refresh this folder. Then after refreshing, you can see this folder Geo Bhaktapur and Geo Kathmandu. Simply you have to just drag this here, then this type of dialog box will appear. Just simply click on this close, then you have to click your catalog, then you have to drag the Bhaktapur, then after dragging, then click on close. Then you can see, let me zoom out, then you can see the geo-reference file is not appearing, and for appearing that, just you have to drag this Kathmandu and Bhaktapur in the top, and the Nepal district will appear in the bottom. And for that, just you have to simply click here and you have to drag like this. Yeah, then I have to drag the Bhaktapur below. Yeah, in this way. So in this way we have just geo-referenced the simple JPEG file of Kathmandu and the Bhaktapur district on the latest map of Nepal. So we can see this Kathmandu district is appearing somehow in the Kathmandu district, and this Bhaktapur district is somehow appearing in the Bhaktapur region. So this was all in this video. simply zoom out, you can see clearly. Yeah. So in this way you can georeference the any JPG file on the any map. So this was all. So if you found this information very helpful, then please subscribe to our channel. It will motivate us to make this type of video in the coming days. And this is the first tutorial, and in the next tutorial we are going to continue the series of GIS. So please connect to this channel for obtaining the complete knowledge of GIS. Thank you.